As we know, codes are everywhere, on products and on the packaging. They can be manufacturing codes, traceability codes, and of course date stamps. A good way to get these codes onto your products is by using a laser, especially when it's integrated into the manufacturing process. Using an extractor with the laser system, we can effectively filter out the fumes and the particulates. This gives our customers code quality and also enhanced performance. Hi, I'm Phil Bembo, the Product Manager for Fume Extraction here at Domino, and I'd like to introduce to you our range of extraction units. The extraction unit is an integral part of the Domino laser coding solution. The actual unit that you need to select is highly dependent on your substrate and application. Here we have the DPX 3300, which is our central product for most applications and substrates. If your production runs are smaller and the coding areas are a lot smaller, then you may need the little brother down the front here, the DPX 3100. For those high volume 24/7 high code capacity products, you would use the DPX 3500. This product can also support 2 lasers. This product here is especially designed for PVC application, the DPX 3401. As you can see, the extractor is running and it's displaying in real time the filter usage. If you press this button, it takes you into the main filter. And here you can see the accurate usage of the main filter. This slider will move across to the right as the filter gets more blocked. Pressing this button takes you back to the home screen. Pressing this button will take you to the system screen. This shows the condition of the whole system, including the inlet and the pre and main filters. Pressing this button will take you back to the home page. The USB data port gives us data communications and software upgrades. Domino extraction systems are integral parts of our laser coding solutions. They help maintain maximum uptime and code quality. Our experts are at hand to help you select the correct system for your application. Please get in touch.